Hello friends, welcome to Study Resource. In this video we will discuss how to draw world map. World map is very important for the examination purpose for UPSC or any other purpose to give examples like that. So we will discuss in this video how to draw world map. First we will start from here, USA, United States, like this. 3 curves like this. You can draw like this. Here Mexico, sorry, here we have South America, which is North America, and here we can start from here, Africa. From here to you can draw one line here, and here like one U shape. From here to you can draw like this, Middle East, and here you can start our India, and we will come to that point next, and we'll draw first here Europe, and here Mediterranean Sea and everything. And you can like this, you have to give one curve here, and here like some V shape, and you'll go like this. Here you can draw Russia like this. There's too many curves like this. And we can stop here, and we can go after some time, and we'll draw here India. And here we need to mention here UK, United Kingdom, and here we need to mention Greenland, and here total Southeast Asian countries, and here Japan, and here Australia. We need to draw Australia here. Sorry. Sorry. Here are still some. From here we need to start. Madagascar, and here Antarctica. There are some small islands. There are many islands is there here on North America and Canada area related to. And here some. That's it, friends. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. If you subscribe, then only it gives boost for me to do further videos. Thank you very much.